There's nothing more rewarding than spending a few minutes potting up a beautiful container, placing it in the perfect spot and having your visitors admire it. I like that. Potting is very much a matter of personal taste, but there are a few key tips that make all the difference. So let's dive in. Always plant into a container with drainage holes. Pot covers which don't have holes are decorative and not meant for direct planting. Add a layer of stones or crocks at the base of your pot to stop the potting soil from washing out. Now, be kind to your plants. Give them the best possible start. Use fresh potting soil, not the bag forgotten behind the garage. Mix in a handful or two of perlite and palm peat for drainage and some organic slow-release fertilizer. Fill the pot halfway to 3/4 depending on the size of your plants. Position taller plants at the back, followed by medium-height plants, and finally trailing or low-growing plants at the front. In hanging baskets, plant the tallest in the center and work outwards in layers. Remember to choose plants with the same needs. Group shade plants or sun-loving plants together, high water needs or water-wise. This will guarantee a happy pot. Backfill with more potting mix. Press gently to remove air pockets and water deeply. Seedlings often suffer from transplant stress, so treat them with a dose of water-soluble fertilizer to help them settle in. Mulch your pots. You can use an organic mulch or some decorative gravel around the plants to reduce water evaporation or just give it an overall tidy look. Feed your plants every 2 weeks during the growing season and deadhead spent blooms to keep them looking fresh and encourage new growth. That's it. Now hang or position your creation, stand back and let your guests turn green with envy. Your local GCA Garden Centre has everything you need, from pots and plants to fresh potting soil and plant food. To find the nearest store, visit lifeasagarden.co.za.